Garlic, Allium sativum, is a bulbous lasting plant identified with onions, chives, leeks, and shallots. The bulb develops underground with long green shoots arising above. Its bulb comprises little segments called cloves. The plants are good, nuisance and sickness safe. Two subspecies are hardneck and softneck. Hardneck garlic is filled in cooler environments, softneck in hotter environments. Garlic is developed around the globe, with China being the biggest maker. Garlic has been utilized for making culinary dishes and therapeutically for quite a long time. It's wealthy in compounds: allicin, sulfur, zinc, and calcium. It has a rich mineral wellspring of selenium. Garlic is a typical seasoning in food. High organosulfur compounds in crude garlic are liable for their solid, sharp smell. Some researchers propose utilizing it as a food-added substance, can forestall food contamination. New garlic can eliminate microscopic organisms, E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella enteritidis. How you set it up for culinary utilizations can have an effect on whether you're accepting greatest medical advantages. To receive full well-being rewards, use it following pounding. Squashed garlic delivers a catalyst, allinase, causing the arrangement of a dreary fluid, allicin. Allicin is a well-being gainful, organosulfur, compound. Finely slashed and squashed structures increments allicin creation. Crude garlic is frequently cooked before eaten. Exploration shows cooking heat inactivates allinase, lessening the medical advantages of garlic. Some exploration claims microwaving garlic totally obliterates allicin. The Journal of Nutrition, distributed in 2001, demonstrates 60 seconds of microwave heat and 45 minutes of broiler heat, both square garlic's enemy of the cancer-causing movement. Smashing it and permitting stand season of 10 minutes before 60 seconds of microwave heat protects some enemy of cancer-causing action. Smashing garlic permits time for allinase to work before heat inactivates it. Medical advantages of garlic: hostile to viral, antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-thickening, anti-incendiary, reduce blood pressure, protect heart, lower LDL cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, lower risk of cancer, improve iron metabolism, increase circulation, prevent weight gain, boost immune system, reduce atherosclerosis. Garlic is utilized for various sicknesses: normal cold, fever, hacks, cerebral pain, sinus clog, gout, asthma, bronchitis, stomach throb, stiffness, stress, exhaustion, and then some. Tips: learn how to develop garlic naturally. Store garlic as shown on the bundle. Store new garlic away from light and dampness. Garlic is accessible in clove structure, containers, tablets, and oil. It's found in items with a smell or scentless. Scentless items are made by maturing garlic, which is for the most part less compelling. Garlic is by and large safe for a great many people when taken orally. Know the appropriate measurements and don't surpass them. Use it as coordinated on a bundle, by your medical care supplier or drug specialist. Advantages of garlic: skin. Garlic has a lot of allicin with hostile to parasitic, against maturing, cell reinforcement, and skin smoothing benefits. Allicin expands cancer prevention agent levels, battling free revolutionaries that cause skin harm. Forestall pre-experienced maturing skin. Battle barely recognizable differences and wrinkles. Diminish free revolutionaries. Improve solidness, snugness, and generally speaking appearance of skin. The allicin and sulfur content in garlic builds skin's versatility. The sulfur content upgrades the bloodstream, giving skin a characteristic shine. Effective utilization of garlic oil or gel treats contagious contaminations: ringworm, musclehead tingle, and athlete's foot. A few groups use it for treating moles and corns, however, its viability is unsure. Forestall tick nibbles. Forestall the presence of stretch imprints. Dispose of clogged pores, decrease pore size, battle skin inflammation. Alert: try not to apply a thick layer of garlic oil, gel to the skin. Over-openness to garlic can harm skin, consuming and rankling it. Try not to utilize if adversely affected by garlic. Advantages of garlic, hair. The allicin in garlic builds blood course to the scalp. Lessen hair fall and invigorate new hair development. Support hair roots, eliminate scalp poisons, and upgrade hair surface. Dispose of dandruff and forestall its re-event. Do-it-yourself garlic recipe. Add a clove of garlic to your cleanser or conditioner for utilize once every month. Alert! Unreasonable utilization of garlic in cleanser, conditioner can cause dryness of hair, scalp. Add a limited quantity of nectar to battle the garlic fragrance. Nectar is a characteristic hair conditioner as well. Advantages of garlic, nails. Get rid of yellowing. Prevent cuticle infections. Get rid of dull or brittle nails. Do-it-yourself garlic recipe. Add not many drops of garlic oil to fingernail skin cream, moisturizer. Garlic cautions. Garlic isn't suggested altogether circumstances. Consider well-being tips and alerts before use. Garlic hasn't been altogether assessed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for well-being, virtue, or adequacy. The entirety of garlic's potential dangers may not be known. The FDA states garlic oil as GRA substances, by and large perceived as safe for public use. Do not give garlic enhancements to kids. Counsel doctor, first. Consult your medical care supplier before use, particularly, in the event that you have plant hypersensitivities. Do not take garlic supplements when pregnant or bosom taking care of, since its consequences for unborn or nursing newborn children are obscure. Raw garlic can have results: terrible breath, consuming sensation in mouth or stomach, acid reflux, gas, queasiness, heaving, personal stench, and the runs. Can increment or drag out the danger of dying. It can influence blood thickening and glucose levels. Counsel your medical services supplier prior to taking garlic, on the off chance that you have a draining or blood thickening issue or diabetes. Counsel your medical care supplier if on blood diminishing or different drugs.